In today's video, I'm going to teach you what are custom fields and how to use it. Custom fields in ClickUp are extra columns you add to your task views so you can track exactly what matters to your team, things like status notes, budgets, links, or any detail that doesn't come out of the box. Think of them as your way to tailor ClickUp to your workflow without changing how tasks themselves work. Let's set one up together from scratch. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This is a simple way to get to the right place quickly, especially if you don't have the URL bookmarked. In the search bar, type ClickUp, then select the official ClickUp website from the results. Once you're in your workspace, navigate to the specific project or list where you want to add the new field. It helps to be in list view so you can see columns clearly across the top of your tasks. Along the header row, look for the plus icon at the far right and click it to add a column. This is where ClickUp lets you bring in custom fields. From the menu that appears, choose Create New. You could reuse an existing field if one already fits your needs, but Create New tells ClickUp you're defining something tailored to this project. Next, select Progress Updates. This is a great choice when you want a dedicated place for concise status notes, things like on track, blocked, or a brief summary of what changed since the last check-in. It keeps updates visible right in your task list, so you don't have to open each task to see what's going on. After choosing the field type, click Create. Your new column will appear immediately in the view, ready to use across the tasks in that project. From here, teammates can add quick notes to reflect progress, making stand-ups and reviews faster and more consistent. A few tips as you get started. Keep the field name clear and action-oriented so everyone understands what to put there. If your team prefers standardized options, you can use a drop-down style field and define the choices to keep updates consistent. If you don't see the plus icon, switch to a view that supports columns, like List. And remember, custom fields stay with the project or location where you add them, so add them where you want them to appear consistently. That's it, what custom fields are and exactly how to create a progress updates field in ClickUp. Try this in one project first, gather feedback from your team, and then roll it out more broadly once you've refined the naming and usage.